Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got another cool, amazing product right here that's by the brand called COWIN. So you guys remember, I tested the products that are by COWIN E7, E7 Pro, E8, and now they actually have a brand new one. You guys can see, it's called the SE7 Active Noise Cancellation Wireless Headphone. And this one in particular is actually really unique. Because out of all the headphones that they have ever made and sold on Amazon and all of those other selling platforms, this one in particular is actually really different because this one is actually foldable. So enough talking, first thing first, let me actually open up and show you what it looks like first. So first thing first, when you open the package, you guys can see it's the usual, the VIP card, and then every purchase they donate to a charitable cause. They give you a thank you card, and then the user guide and manual on how to set up and how to use the product. And as you can see, the packaging or the box that they give you guys to actually hold the headphone is a lot different this time. And it's definitely a big upgrade, you guys can see. It looks like a CD case or something, but you guys can see there's the logo COWIN right there. And you guys actually have little handles that you can actually carry like a little purse everywhere. You guys can see there's the headphone and it's actually folded up, which is really nice. And if you guys look inside, it comes with an accessory bag. And inside the accessory bag, let's see what's inside. So they provide you a aux cord. They provide you a USB to micro USB cable to charge the product, and they provide these other aux accessories. But now let's actually take out the headphone and then show you guys what comes inside the little bag. So you guys got a little smaller compartment. You guys want to put other stuff that's low in here. It has a really nice kind of like padding and cushioning to protect the headphone itself. And then here we have the actual headphone itself. You guys can see it's actually all folded up right now, but if you guys extend it and open it back up, this is what it actually looks like. So let me actually put this on my ear and show you guys what it actually looks like when you actually have it on your ear. So if you guys notice right out the bat, I don't actually have a beanie anymore. So when I'm wearing this hat, it's probably better for you guys because it looks better on me. Probably. Just let me know in the comment section down below if you guys think this looks better on me or not. But if not, then let me know. But now I can actually put this over my ear and I can actually still show you guys what my ear looks like and how the product actually looks like. So the comfort definitely is there. It feels really, really comfortable. I don't have the active noise cancellation turned on yet, but then there is a noise isolation in a way. So now let me actually turn on the active noise cancellation and see how well it actually performs and if I can still hear the surroundings. It cancels out a lot of like the minimal or the small sounds that you guys don't want to hear, but you guys can definitely still hear like the car just drove by just now, so you guys can definitely still hear that. But everything else like the small little noise, you guys don't hear anymore. So before I actually test this product out, I want to show you guys what is on this product first. So the padding right here is actually really, really comfortable and really, really nice. You guys can extend it on both sides to a longer distance if you guys want to. Flexibility is really nice as well. You guys can see it's really, really flexible. You guys can actually move this forward a little bit and backward, forward, backwards. And then foldable headphones, which is really nice. You guys can fold it that way, or you guys can fold it in this way, however you guys want to. So this is what it looks like if you have it on like this angle. And this is what it looks like if you guys have it on this angle. On the back side, this is what it looks like. And on the side, this is what it looks like. So NC, so you turn it up and the light will turn on, turn it off. So the volume controls right here, up and down, power button. You press it down and the light should pop up right here. So let's give it a try.
Power on, pairing.
So if you guys heard, hopefully you guys can hear it, but it's a power on pairing. And you guys can actually see the blue light on and actually pairing right now. So right there, if you guys can see, there's an auxiliary cord slot. And right here is where you guys will charge it. So this is a micro USB slot. All around the product, it has a built-in mic, so you guys can actually use that as well to communicate and talk to people. But let's actually test this out now and see how it performs. So I just tested a couple songs from different genres. So there's pop, there's hip hop, and then there's just straight up EDM. I noticed right off the bat that the audio is actually really, really nice. The bass is not too strong. I feel like this one in particular, they focus more on the comfort, design, and also the audio because the audio is actually really, really good on this. The bass is not so much. I do notice that after every headphone that they come out, it actually gets better and better for the audio, but they try to not focus as much on the bass, which kind of sucks for me because if you guys watch my video, you guys know that I love bass, but not too overpowering to the point where I can't hear the audio. Probably the one bad thing that I have to say about this product is the fact that the active noise cancellation is not that great compared to the other one that I tested. So if you guys remember, I tested like the linear active noise cancellation headphones. That's probably the best one that I've tested so far out of all the headphones that I ever tested or owned. This one is definitely there for the design and everything about the product, but then the noise cancellation is definitely not there. And I'll probably do like a comparison video to let you guys hear the difference and see what it looks like. But let me actually test this product out and let you guys hear how it actually performs first. So that's a small little sneak peek to let you guys hear how it actually sounds like. You guys probably can't hear the full quality of the actual product. But now that we did the test and everything for the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it. So this product in particular costs around $109, which is more expensive than Cowan E7 and Cowan E7 Pro, because this one is a new kind of design and new look and everything about the product. But for that price range, would I say that's actually worth it? For me personally, I wouldn't say this is the most worth it product out there, but it is a good product and actually performs really, really well. There are definitely better ones out there that you can actually get, but I don't want to say that this product is not worth it though, because it definitely is worth it. It's just a little bit more pricey than the other ones. I wish they were able to actually lower this price maybe a little bit, but definitely the one thing that's not as good is the active noise cancellation on this product. So that's kind of like the thing that's kind of making me kind of maybe yes, maybe no, like stuck in between of whether or not this product is actually worth it. But definitely one of the cool things about this product that's different than all the other ones I tested and cannot do is the fact that it's actually foldable, and also the fact that this one plays for 30 hours, which is the same as any other headphones that they actually made. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing and testing and feedback on the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have